أسعد الله أوقاتكم بكل خير متابعين ومشاهدين سعودي أوتو. نحن هنا في الرياض في حفل تدشين فلسفة جديدة في مجال الطاقة الجديدة، وهي شركة CATL دشنوا واحدة من أروع الأفكار الجديدة للطاقة النظيفة، وهي اللي هي البطاريات وصيانة البطاريات عندنا في المملكة العربية السعودية، وليس فقط في المملكة العربية السعودية وإنما في الشرق الأوسط ككل. فالتقيت بالديركتور بروس لي، وبروس لي مش اللي هو نجم الكاراتيه، وإنما بروس لي هو المدير التنفيذي لCATL، وكذلك مسؤول عن الكواليتي كنترول اللي هو التحكم في جودة المنتج اللي هي البطاريات. وعلى فكرة هم مش يصنعوا بطاريات فقط، وإنما يصنعوا أشياء كثيرة جدا وحندردش معها. Mr. Bruce Lee, first of all, welcome to Saudi Arabia. I would like for you to give me, from your perspective, what do you think of launching your service centers in Saudi Arabia as CATL?
Yeah. You know that the new service experience center in Saudi Arabia is the first new service center in Middle East. Yeah, the first.
As a whole.
Yeah, as a whole, is the first. So why we choose Saudi Arabia as the first place to build up the new service experience center? You know that it is the first in Mid East, but it is the fourth overseas.
That's impressive.
Yeah, and the 16th contained China.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the other three overseas is in Thailand, Indonesia, and the Netherlands.
Right.
Yeah. So Saudi Arabia is the fourth. Why we choose this? You know that we catch that the Saudi Arabia, you have the 2030 version.
Right.
Yeah, you do the energy, the green energy,
green clean energy.
Yeah, green energy. You have the plan, and you know that CATL is a green energy solution provider.
Okay.
Besides the electric vehicle.
Right.
The electric vehicle battery solution system, and also the energy storage system, the battery solutions. Okay. Yeah. So currently, the CATL, we have provide some solutions. You know, the electrical truck.
Right.
Yeah, and also the ESS station. We have provide our battery to the solutions have to Saudi Arabia.
Right.
Yeah, we have set some, have finished some project. So our product come to here, and then our service, the good service we need to provide. Okay. We need to make the solution go smoothly. Okay. Operation and the maintenance, we need to do this. So, and based on the 2030 version, the green energy I think that will develop better and better in Saudi Arabia.
Right.
And the CATL is the first, the advanced solution provider in the world. We are the number one.
Right.
And so we set up the new service experience center. It is just like a bridge. Because it is localized. It is localized in Saudi Arabia.
Right.
He will get the deep insight into the application scenarios for the green energy. And also, the employees in the new service experience center, we have the CATL guys in the center. He knows the advanced solution for the application scenario.
Right.
The burst solution. So it is just like a bridge.
Right.
And the new service experience center is not only a service center. It is just combine the service and sales together. So the best solution, the application scenario requirements, meet it. So this is why we do this. We set the Ning Service Experience Center in Saudi Arabia. Yeah.
Okay. Now the Ning service is keep in mind. I learned that 1 out of 3 cars worldwide would have a Catl battery on it, which is really an amazing achievement per se. Now, the life cycle of the battery, I'm talking now specifically of the passengers, okay? The life cycle is from 7 to 10 years.
Yes.
So when you say the Ning service is provided for the customers, usually when someone buy, let's say, a battery from, let's say, for example, Shengan as a provider, an EV, or MG, or any of the other companies, what would you do? Because usually the brand itself, or the supplier, or the guy he bought the car from, warranted the battery.
Yeah.
So how does Catl fits in the picture for the Saudi customer? Who should he go to? Should he go to, for example, the local distributor who he bought the car from, or he can get his car serviced with the Catl?
Yeah. You ask a very good question about this. Yeah. So currently for the Ning service, we are professional in the battery system.
Right.
Yeah, because we build it, we manufacture it, we design.
Right.
Yeah. So we are professional in the battery system. So currently we do the deep cooperation together with our OEM, the customers, for the passenger car. Yeah.
Absolutely.
The passenger car. Yeah. So when the car has some issues, yeah, they will go to the OEM.
Okay.
But if the OEM have a short detection, it is the issue is come from the battery system, then he will ask. He will go back to Ning service.
Okay.
The battery is very, very complicated.
Absolutely.
You do the repair.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So he will come back to the Ning service, and we will do the service.
Okay.
And this is one part. The Ning service is not only focused on the passenger car. We also, every green energy solution provided by Catl,
right,
such as for the commercial bus, the electrical truck,
right,
and also the construction equipments, and also the ESS.
Right.
Yeah, and even the electric boat.
Okay.
The electric, the airplane, eVTOL.
Right.
Yeah, and maybe for the electric, the robot. Yeah, every solution, the green energy solution provided by Catl, is under the service of the Ning service.
Okay. Now, as you know, I mean, the battery manufacturing technology has been really moving rapidly, and it is developing.
Yeah.
The question always been, I mean, this question is always asked CEOs of all the motoring companies across the world, and they couldn't really find an answer. But I want to, because of the fact you guys were talking a much more sophisticated technologies, and as well as the evolving innovation of the technology. Yeah. Now, as you said, that the life cycle is of the battery from 7 to 10 years.
Yes.
On the vehicle, and assume on the truck, they told me is 1,800 charges, and then you have to change the battery, which is 1,800 charges.
No. Maybe truck is another 3,000 to 4,000.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fair enough. What's then? So, is there any recycling? Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Because the battery is highly toxic battery.
Okay.
And where would this go?
Yeah.
Because
I will.
I mean, this is a very important issue that manufacturers or people or company like yours have to think of, because in 10 years lapse, I'm going to have thousands of batteries. What do I do with that? So the innovation comes part is how do we recycle these batteries? please. Tell me.
Okay.
Where are you at from that development?
You know that for the NIN service, I set a strategy.
Right.
I set a strategy for the NIN service. We based on the battery. I say to B2B.
Right.
The B2B strategy. Okay. What B2B? Battery to battery.
Oh, not business to business.
No.
Because usually
Because
B2C is...
Yeah, I'm an engineer. I do not talk about the business. Yeah. So the battery to battery.
Here we go.
How to understand it? Okay. It means that when the battery come out from Catl,
right.
Our factory, then set up on the car or on the truck. Yeah. The first day, he go to the truck and the truck operation. It means that the battery is coming to our aftermarket.
Right.
Yeah. So when the battery, the car is on operation.
Right.
Yeah. We need to, what we can do. We will do the health testing.
Right.
Yeah. And the maintenance, the repair, and when the battery or the car that you need to sell it, then the second-hand car, before you send it, we need to do the do the detection, do the testing to see that how healthy the battery is and how much the second-hand car it will worth.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and after that, the battery, the car, I do not use it. So the battery will do the recycle.
Right.
But the battery, when we recycle it just like we will think that we will do the regeneration.
Right.
Such as the lithium, metal, and the nickel, the cobalt, we will do the regeneration. But I think that it will put it behind.
Right.
We do the battery recycle, and then we will do the healthy detection, and then to determine the battery if we can do the how to say it the
testing.
The second use.
Okay.
Yeah. If we can do the second use or not.
Okay.
Or we can do the remanufacture.
Okay.
Yeah, remanufacture the parts. The parts have some issue. Yeah.
Right.
Replace it. Then it will become better, and we use in other application scenario. Okay. So this is remanufacture and reuse.
Right.
After that, then they have no value to use it.
Right.
So we will cutting it to the black powder.
Right.
Yeah, black powder and to the lithium metal, lithium carbon oxide, and the nickel, the cobalt, and this raw material will go to the cathode material, the supplier.
Right.
They will become to our cathode material. And cathode material will come back to Catl factory, and then we'll build it to a new battery. Okay. New cell and new battery. So battery
it's
to
a
battery.
full recycle.
Yeah.
So
the
you
whole
use
life recycle. Yeah.
Okay. Now, my last question. So if your batteries are here in Saudi Arabia, would you take that and send them back to China, in that case, for this process? Or would you invest in the long term and do that in Saudi Arabia?
The best way is that we do not transfer it to China and do the remanufacture or regeneration. Yeah, the best way that we find some resource or we invest.
Okay.
Yeah, some resource in Saudi Arabia, but it is based on how much.
Exactly, the whole region, like you said, the whole Middle East. If it makes a business sense or not.
If it is just a little, so we cannot do this. The investment is too high.
Right.
And as you know, in Indonesia, we have invested a recycling factory. Yeah.
So that's a potential in the future, depending on the market demand.
Maybe we do not need to transfer to China. We can send to Indonesia to do the recycling.
Mr. Bruce Lee, really pleasure meeting you, and congratulations on your center, and wish you the best of luck.
Yeah.
Really.
Okay.
Thank you.